All cleaning modes explained. Hip wash, standard and oscillating cleansing. One press activates a steady stream for standard rear cleansing. Second press switches to an oscillating motion for wider coverage. One press power/stop button stops the current program and automatically starts the drying function. Lady wash, standard and oscillating cleansing. One press, gentle static cleaning for intimate hygiene. Second press activates oscillating nozzle movement for wider coverage. Hydromassage works on hip and lady wash programs. Step 1. Activate hip wash or lady wash. Step 2. Press hydromassage button. Experience a pulsating water stream with variable pressure for a massaging effect. Learn more at shopcleanwave.com.